Hello there, thank you for tuning in. Nice to see you on the mat today. Nice to see that you've chosen to practice yoga with me. My name is Anja, this is my channel, and today we are practicing a very gentle, a very soft form of yoga. The idea is to ease off from your day, or even if it's in the morning, if you feel like you had a bit of a restless night. It's 3 yoga postures I've chosen to do with you today to really downregulate our nervous system, or to downregulate, to soften and calm our bodies, you can say as well, to keep it simple. I look forward to see you on the mat. Make sure you wear something comfortable, and yeah, we will start right here. So we begin in any comfortable seated posture. That can be lying down or it can be cross-legged. I chose to sit in hero's pose. It's a nice stretch for the feet if you allow your hips to rest on them. If it doesn't feel too much for the tops of your feet or the soles of your feet, you can do that as well. And wherever you are now, place your left hand onto your heart and your right hand onto your belly. This is our first posture. We're going to work on some breathing today to start easing off from the day, to start softening again. We all need some of that. So again, left hand on the heart, right hand on the belly. And if it feels nice, I would suggest you close your eyes here, or if you'd rather have your eyes open, just bring your gaze down towards the floor. So you can just narrow your awareness towards one spot. And with eyes open or closed, just take a moment to land here, to land in our practice. A moment to thank yourself that you've chosen to unroll your mat, to practice some yoga today, to take that time out for yourself. Well done. And as you close your eyes, sometimes this is opening up the door to a complete new world, a world that we sometimes don't pay that much attention towards when we move through our days. It's our inner world, it's your own body, yourself. And that can sometimes bring up feelings of feeling uncomfortable, or you almost want to pause this video or run away from it because it doesn't feel that great to just slow down and to have that much time to be still. But see if you can just allow yourself to be wherever you're at today. Soften your body. Whatever that means to you, however that feels right now, relax your body, relax your muscles. Relax and soften your face, your neck, the shoulders, the heart, the belly and the hips. Relax your feet. Relax your knees. And then start to notice your right hand. Notice the rise and fall of your palm with the in and out breath. And see if you can even feel the right hand moving, because sometimes when we are stressed, when we are a bit tight and tense through the body, we're breathing in our upper chest, so that will be your left hand. And see, without forcing it, without rushing it, if you can just start to feel the breath moving down into that right hand, down into your belly. Every time you inhale, feel that nourishing breath traveling down into your belly, filling your belly with new, fresh air. And every time you're exhaling, notice how the belly is softening and how the body is relaxing. Notice if you can almost be still in your left hand, so the breath is really moving down, just a very gentle, almost minimal lift through the left hand. as you're inhaling. But then as you exhale, you feel both hands softening inward. Imagine belly button moving towards the spine and your heart softening. Let's take 3 more full breaths together. Inhale through the nose, nice deep breath. Exhale through the nose, release. Breathe in. And breathe out. One more round, inhale. Exhale. To release. Beautiful work. Bring your left hand on top of the right. Gently rest your palms down toward your legs, your thighs. Drop the chin to your chest. Allow your breath to fall back into a very natural rhythm of yours. And then you can gently blink, open your eyes if you have them closed. Bring your head all the way back to center. Keep your hands as they are. We start to work again with a breath, but a bit of movement now for our second posture for today. So I would like you to inhale and draw your palms toward your heart. As you exhale, flip the hands, push them up towards the ceiling. Follow your hands with your gaze and then open your arms, stretch your arms away from the body and then bring that to a closure again with the left hand on top of the right, chin to the chest. And then we start to move for 4 more rounds. Inhale all the way up. Exhale, open. If you can, breathe out for longer, stretch your arms away from the body and then again bring the chin down to the chest. Inhale, draw the breath into the body. Exhale, flip the hands all the way out, stretch through the heel of your hands and bring the palms back together. 2 more, breathe in. Shoulders are soft, exhale. Open your arms away from the body and release the head back down. Last round. Open your arms away from the body. Very, very nice. And then release. Relax your shoulders. From here, we're going to come into child's pose, our resting pose or our ultimate resting pose in yoga. Bring your big toes together, your knees about mat width apart, and then come onto your fingertips and reach your arms forward and away from the body. To begin with, even if your head is not touching the floor or your hips are lifted, try to stretch your arms as far away from the body as you possibly can. So lengthen through the rib cage, the side body. Keep your head in line with your upper arms and then soften the forehead down to the ground. See if you can reach your arms just for 1 more breath, even further away from the body. So you're really lengthening out through the low back, the mid back, the upper back. And then once you've found that length, start to release your shoulders and then bring your hands behind you with your palms facing up towards the ceiling so your shoulders can completely relax. The skin of your forehead is gently drawing down towards the nose so the neck stays nice and long. And we've already reached the last posture for today. And you might think, we haven't done that much today, or we haven't moved as much. But every day, again, holds something different for you. And some days you might just need that. You might need to slow things down to find a bit more rest after a hectic day, or if life is hectic in general. And whatever you do, remember you do it for yourself. And even if we take 5 minutes a day to do yoga, this already makes a huge difference. And today you've taken longer to practice. So again, don't analyze it or don't judge it. Just try to really, really enjoy being in that moment. And as we arrive towards the end of our practice now, allowing the body to completely soften and relax. If the pressure ever gets too much in your head, you can always have your hands underneath the head to create a pillow for it. And see for these last few moments if you can just do nothing. Not focusing on the breath too much, not focusing on how the body is in position, just allowing the body to simply be, the mind to simply be. And if you have time to do that for longer today, please feel free to stay longer. Take another moment to take and breathe that feeling of a bit more calm, maybe more relaxation into the body, so you can take it with you for your night, for your day ahead. Whenever you're ready to move again, make sure you're moving nice and slow. Take a moment to bow your head to your heart in gratitude. And I thank you for practicing. Thank you for being here. Namaste.